In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Square ACH with Jotform in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to streamline your payment processing or simply want to make the most of Jotform's capabilities, this quick guide will help you get started with ease. First, we'll begin by heading over to jotform.com. Here, on the sign-in page, you have a few options to gain access to your account. You can opt to sign in using Google or Microsoft, or if you prefer, you can use your email address and password. Choosing the method that best suits your preferences will ensure a smooth start to the process. Once you're in, navigate to the form you want to modify. You might already have a form set up, or you could be starting fresh. Either way, you'll need to open up the form builder to begin customizing it to include ACH payments through Square. Remember, keeping your workspace organized can help reduce any confusion as you move through the steps. Next, to collect ACH payments via Jotform, the key is to integrate Square into your form. Integration allows you to leverage Square's reliable payment processing directly within your form, making the payment experience seamless for your users. Now let's get into the specifics in the form builder. You'll want to click on the Add Element menu, which is conveniently marked with a plus sign. This menu hosts a variety of options that help you enhance your form's capabilities, and it's where we'll add our payment integration. Once the Add Element menu is open, move to the Payments tab. This tab contains all the payment options available for integration into your form. Scroll through the list, or better yet, use the search function to find Square quickly and easily. Clicking on Square will allow you to add it to your form. You can also drag and drop it for a quicker setup if that's your style. After adding Square, head over to the payment settings to link your account. You'll need to click the Connect button, which initiates the linking process. Once your account is successfully linked, you'll notice the blue Connect button changing to green, confirming a secure connection. With Square linked, it's time to choose ACH bank transfer from the available payment methods. This selection is crucial for specifying the type of payment transactions you want to enable. If your form supports product sales, proceed by clicking the Continue button to add your product items. Alternatively, if you're accepting user-defined amounts or donations, clicking Save will finalize the integration process. Congratulations! You've integrated Square ACH with Jotform, empowering your form with flexible and reliable payment processing. Remember to check all configurations to ensure they're running smoothly. Thank you for joining, and we hope this guide helps simplify your payment processing needs with Jotform.